G'day and welcome to episode 1 of Why is my Jimny making that sound? Now you're probably here because your Jimny's making a funny noise. And today we're going to be talking about this specimen. This is the aircon and power steering tensioner, as you can see in that photo. We'll be listening to what a failing one sounds like, and I'll show you guys how to check it as well. So buckle up for this riveting next 30 seconds. Pressing the screwdriver up against the mounting bolt of the tensioner, being very careful of the fan as you put the screwdriver in there. And have a listen to the end of the screwdriver. You should be able to hear the failing bearing through the screwdriver like a stethoscope.